What is this feeling so sudden and new?
I felt the moment I laid eyes on you.
My pulse is rushing,
My head is reeling.
my face is flushing.
What is this feeling? Loathing, unadulterated loathing.
For your face,
Your voice.
your clothing.
Let's just say I loathe it all. Every little trait, however small, makes my very flesh begin to crawl. Though I do admit it came on fast, still I do believe that it can last, and I will be low.